Welcome to the presentation on acupuncture treatment part 3. This video contains information on acupuncture treatment for children and how safe it is. This is the product of captureideas.com and the third video of 11 video series. All parents want their children to be happy and healthy. Consider the idea that acupuncture might be a wonderful way to treat your child's health. Acupuncture can be good preventive treatment as well as technique to cure various symptoms. In China, some acupuncture professionals are paid only as long as their clients remain healthy. The very first question might be, can children be acupuncture clients? Sure. Nearly all children find acupuncture treatments very easy, even enjoyable. It's not going to hurt them at all. Especially for younger ones, acupuncture needles are not painful. Unlike adults, younger ones do not feel much of pain when needles are inserted, and the response to the treatment will be very quick and good. Children also seem to be more aware of their bodies than adults and can feel themselves better quite quickly. Also, the improvement in energy and vitality is often so clear with children. The healing process in the body is fast, and any smallest damage to the body is taken care of by the healing ability. Taking advantage of this defense mechanism, good results can be seen. Is there any difference in the treatment with children? The general treatment is similar, determining the locations and time to insert needles in order to effect the treatment. Needles are inserted to different depths depending on the treatment, anything from just under the skin up to a maximum of a few inches. The needle insertion does not hurt. Sometimes an insertion can be described as a slight pinch, but once the needle is in, it isn't felt at all unless it is moved. A slight movement is also felt. The number of needles and the number of treatments for children is generally less, since their active bodies respond quickly to less stimulation. Because of this quick response, acupuncture treatments for children often bring noticeable results very quickly. This can be attributed to high metabolism. Another good reason to visit an acupuncture clinic with your child is that the diagnosis uses a number of different aspects, mainly with respect to physical symptoms. Diagnosis with respect to physical symptoms observe physical signs such as the pulse and condition of the tongue, behavioral symptoms such as anger, aggression, depression, and even external physical conditions during that particular year. The goal of acupuncture is to bring the whole person into harmony, physically, emotionally, mentally, and socially. This attention to the child as a whole is a great benefit both to the child and to the whole family. A child brought in for an acupuncture visit to maintain its health for a physical symptom or for a behavioral problem. One common problem that responds quite well to several acupuncture visits is bedwetting. In some children, the problem disappears after one acupuncture visit. Others may require a few more visits. Interestingly, most parents are aware that the child has negative emotions and they relate it to wetting the bed. Many parents feel and report that actually sadness or other emotion preceded the bedwetting by several weeks. This is not always true, but there is often a connection other than the assumed one. Wet the bed and then feel bad connection. True, sadness come later. When actually a child should be taken to an acupuncture practitioner? Answer would be, one can subject a healthy child also for the sake of harmony. A perfect balance of emotions and the flow of hormones in the body increases the activity in the other parts of the body. IQ will be above normal. This is a new introduction, 25 magical manipulations for your health. What is the magical method is all about? I would like to explain it in simple terms. What are the reflexology or health treatment using reflexes? Here is a simple example of it. Took a deep breath and then blew the air into someone's eye. They will blink. If you do that for 100 times, they will blink 100 times, and they cannot help it as it is their inborn reflex. Indeed, we have great number of reflexes. Just recall how your neurologist has knocked your knee by a little rubber hammer. Your leg would jump up. It is another reflex we have. The entire human body is penetrated by reflexes, and there are certain body zones and spots which are directly connected to the inner organs. Now, if you know this correlation, you can easily evoke such things in a human body as an immediate upset stomach or lessen the pain, edema, or inflammation in any body organ or body part. That is all there is to reflexotherapy. You simply affect certain spot and zones on your body to evoke the desired reaction in the internal organs. There are 6 ebooks that will give you the ins and outs of do-it-yourself methods, which are available at the link given below in the description area. For full details, click on the link given and find out more about the writing. This can be a very good tool in your entire life. This concludes our acupuncture treatment part 3 of 11 video series. We shall give you more information in our part 4. Thank you very much.